Hi guys! Welcome back! I want to share my new toner. I mean, this is not new, but I've been using this for about 2 weeks already to almost a month na. Tingnan nyo, almost mauubos ko na siya unexpectedly. Kasi parang binigay lang sa akin to. So, ang dami-dami kong toner. I'm using many toners. Kaya, nung gumamit ako, is napansin ko na instantly, as in instant, tong paggamit ko sa kanya is parang lumalabas yung mga whiteheads ko. Tapos, hindi naman siya mahapde, but very, very refreshing and very cooling effect. And I really like it. Gumamit ako ngayon just now. Tapos, yun nga, because I'm facing difficulties with eliminating my pimples. Ayan, I'm actually treating it. And this serves as my toner. And this is very effective and very nice. I usually do this right after I use it. Pinapahid ko dito. Tapos, napakasarap niyang gamitin. Kasi ito rin yung favorite ko na super talagang pinaka the best na ginagamit ko today. And, makikita nyo that in this part, kasi before, this is very red talaga to. And nawala yung mga red dito ng konti. Tapos, probably I will buy many of this. This is Tawas Calamansi Baking Soda 30-Day Miracle Toner that can brighter skin toner, skin exfoliation, pimple eraser, pore tightening, hydration. So, 250 mg siya. Actually, this is very, very affordable. You can Google it in Lazada or Shopee. And this is highly recommended for those who is who are facing problems with pimples. So if you like this video, please like it. If you don't like it, don't subscribe. So thank you, and please share your comment then if baka may mas alam pa kayong una pa dito, but so far this is my favorite. Share lang. Thank you very much.